65-50. Antipolo, fourth quarter coming up in a moment. Ng bawat kabataan National Youth Basketball League, Ryan Paro, together with Coach Dan Hapos. Let's review the quarter scoring for both teams. Noong first quarter, Antipolo scored 23, Caloocan scored 19. On the second quarter, Antipolo scored 20, Caloocan scored 20, so pareho lang. But on the third quarter, Antipolo scored 22 and Caloocan only scored 11.
And both teams misses their three-point attempt. And number 77 also misses that putback, pero itong si Toston.
You know, Coach Jana, I don't want to discount, but Caloocan Supremos free throw shooting is very, very miserable.
Totoo yun. And look at that. Never force yourself in the air and doesn't know what will you do with the ball. Turnover ang inabot nila.
65-50. Baseline drive. Hand tie move. Oh, good rejection there. And here comes the Supremos, not giving up.
LBJ.
Fast break. Dribble off his foot. Picks himself up.
Kaya ata at 23.
Oh, what a pass! Sayang yun. On the other side, we have a foul counted.
Para kay Cardenas. Yun yung tinatawag natin, everything but the shot.
Yun na nga eh. Yung pasa na yun reminds me of Magic Johnson.
Oo, papunta kay James Worthy.
Ano yun, between the legs yun. No?
Ay, kay Kurt Rambis, tama?
Okay, Kurt Rambis.
Rambis.
Laban sa Houston Rockets.
And Cardenas completing the three-point play in a classic way.
68-50 now, 8:40 left. Let's see what the Caloocan Supremos prepares for the table. Makatangay brings it up. Goes left. There's a double team. Inside pass. Almost went overboard. And they recovered quickly, swiftly. Shot clock at 9 seconds. Down to 7. Down to 5. Here comes the drive. Madambayan inside. Unsuccessful. But they get the ball back with a steal by Makatangay.
Si Renzo. Teardrop.
Hindi
Malakas.
pumasok. Got a fast break for the Titans from the baseline. Inside bucket. At lumulobo na ang abante Coach John to 20. Hang time. Swatted away. Titans now slowly dominating this game from the middle of the third quarter papunta ngayon sa fourth. And it's a tight bind. Another interception. Royela couldn't keep it step with.
And partner, ito yung sinasabi ko, if that 70-point marker will be hit by Antipolo Titans, mahihirapan ng makabalik.
Oo.
Dahil nga, ang tansya ko talaga, mahihirapan ng umabot ng 70 ang score ng Caloocan Supremos dahil nakikita na natin yung pagod nila no? Ito si Punundanan, Makatangay in season, I think played for the whole 40 minutes.
The whole 30 minutes.
The whole game time nitong laro na to with 7 minutes to spare pa of that 40 minutes game time.
6:59 left. We have a foul, blocking foul given up
by Season.
By Season all, that will be his second personal foul. 70-52 mga kaibigan. Hope you enjoyed us on this Sunday noontime. Oh, another basket count. And now the Antipolo Titans are pumping its points.
Mameli Rodolfo, good job. Kel Rafael Coral, pa-shoutout po ako, yung Totoy Recto. Uy, kanina pa
kanina
yung
yun.
Game nyo, Kel ha. Congratulations, Kel Coral.
Actually, si Totoy Recto, kanina in-award siya ng player of the game. Yeah,
diba? Hindi, I think si ano.
Sino ba?
Si Lorente.
Lorenzo. Okay.
Double si Lorente.
Double performance. 6:25 left. Here's the jumper by Ferrer. Unsuccessful. And the Titans has it.
Yun kagaya nun, unnoticed natin si Lorente. Pero he has played a big game kanina at siyang napiling best player of the game.
The drop pass, no. It was intercepted by the Titans. Highly anticipated pass. Here's Facastol. Drives. Ball tap out. Will stay with the Titans with 15 on the shot clock. Exact time remaining mga kaibigan, 5:54. Our score is 73 for Antipolo, 52 for Caloocan. Big 21-point margin. The drop. Baseline, he almost traveled. Shot clock at 7. Another touch pass. Hang time move didn't pay off. And a good rebound there for Makatangay. Renzo driving. Hang time move. Failed. That has been the story of Caloocan this morning or this afternoon. Sidestep. And it will be another bucket there. 75-52. And Cardenas skips off a foul for the other 5 players to check in. Caloocan will suit time with 5:10 to go. It is dating sa 4th game at halftime ay nangangalahati na tayo sa ating broadcast. Possession now for Caloocan. Later on, the passing team will play after this. Here's the baseline. Here's the shot from the outside. Unsuccessful. Rebound control now for the Antipolo Titans. Here comes another fast break opportunity. That time he was rejected. Madlang Bayan with the rejection. But the lead is still 23 points, Coach. Summarize natin, Coach John. Anong nangyari dito sa Antipolo now they are on a breakaway win?
Well, yun nga, definitely na malaking factor is yung kanilang deep bench, no? Yung dami ng player nila, that full bench na naging factor. Tapos pumapasok na yung tira nila dahil lumuwang na yung depensa ng kalaban. At nakakakuha na sila ng offensive rebounds, wala nang resistance itong Supremos.
In the meantime, the big guy there scored a basket for...
Shout out Meli Rodolfo. Shout out para sa Antipolo Titans. So Antipolo Titans will not go home with 2 losses. They will have a record of 1-1.
So far, yung Antipolo, they have 2 beautiful venues for basketball. Isa dyan yung Antipolo Sports Arena. Of course, Inares Center, Antipolo. Baseline, traveling. He lifted his right pivot foot.
Naghahanap kasi siya ng contact eh.
He wants to sell the contact, ha?
Yan yung isa sa mga dapat din na pag-aralan ng mga bata.
Kasi nakikita ko ngayon sa mga PBA, sa FIBA, ganun na eh. Gusto nila magbenta ng tawag eh, no?
They want that contact.
Kaya alam mo naman yung mga referees natin, they are using the what we call the preventive officiating as we see another failure. How many layups did they miss? I think 10 layups na.
Dami na, mahigit.
Wow. That's a telling blow.
Ano yan eh, because of pagod na rin yan.
Yeah.
Kung bakit ganon. JB Perbel, go Antipolo Titans.
3 minutes to go in a balance, and this will be a W for Antipolo.
And again, pasalamatan lang natin lahat ng mga nanood sa atin. Coach Nolds Polo of the Binongganon Referee Association. At syempre, Assistant Coach yan sa San Juan, Meli Rodolfo, Coach Jay Cruz, Coach Oliver Marquez, Boss Ray Makatangay, Kel Rafael Coral, Dustin Lee Salenga, and JB Perbel. Yan yung mga nag-comment at nakita natin sa ating Facebook. Maraming salamat po.
At binanggit po si Boss Makatangay ayon na kung score ang kanyang anak, si Renzo Makatangay, and Makatangay has 8 points. 77-54, and of course, I just want to leave this quote para sa winning Antipolo Titans. The quote is, most great people have attended their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Gandang quote yun, ha? Yun eh. Yun yung, that summarize yung mga pinag-usapan natin in the first 2 games, Coach. Kung paano ang tamang pag-develop ng basketball sa mga bata.
Correct, partner. At ito, nasa free throw, ako LBJ, tingin ko talaga rin.
Yeah.
He reminds me of an LBJ in the high school.
Oo.
20 years ago.
In 2003.
21 years ago.
Bago siya na-drop ng Cleveland. And this is gonna be a walk in the park. And we're down to the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes na po tayo. 81-54. So this is gonna be an impending victory for the Titans. Makatangay for the double figures.
Great jump shot. Great jump shot coming from Renzo. That pull-up jumper. Tama yung ginawa niya ron. Dahil nakita niya, nag-aabang yung defender kung dadrive ba siya o hindi. Eh di, hayaan mo magbasa yung defender, ikaw na tumira.
Oh, look at that pass again from the steal. Madlang Bayan scores. So
Si
far,
Pondolanan, partner, scores. Pondolanan.
Fondolanan, I'm sorry.
And again, another basket by Pundolanan after that steal of
Makatangay.
Makatangay. Pero yung unang puntos sa credit that assist, papunta rito kay Pereira na his hustle, diving for that loose ball.
A minute and 10 remaining. Oh, reverse layup.
Mukhang hindi chamba, pinakita
Hindi.
ni Wigo sa atin. Ito ulitin ko yung sinasabi nyo kaninang
hindi.
hallelujah shot.
This is my shot, you know.
Tira niya talaga.
This is my shot.
Sorry ha. Akala ko yung first game kanina, alahoy lang eh.
Just when you thought that that shot was a fluke, he tries it again and says, "Take that. That is my shot."
Oo.
Sabi niya. 51 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. This is already a one bonky Antipolo. Oh, sabi ni Bingo, hindi ko ititiran ng 4-point shot. Ibibigay ko sa kanyang kampe. Easy layup.
And abangan nila after this game, partner, our next game, another 16 under division. Will the Pasiga Prize have an advantage doon sa pagod na o naglaro na kaninang O-Passion? Pereira with that layup.
Half a minute remaining, and the referee says this game is over, so that means we're gonna run the clock. And that should do it for our broadcast. Our final score, 62 points para sa Caloocan Supremos and 85 points for the win for the Antipolo Titans. So be sure to join us for our fourth game of 7. We are now halfway through for our Sunday NYPL broadcast. Abangan niyo po kami, magbabalik po kami.